Okay guys, hello and welcome to this unique quick tip video. And today we are going to be setting up a script that will randomly choose a point in a array. So first off is that we need to set the scene. Okay, so in our scene, first we're going to create an empty. We're going to call this points. And inside our points we're going to create an empty. We're going to call this point 0, and it's going to create 3 points. Point 2 is going to be at -2. I'll put it at actually -4. This is going to be at 4, and we're just going to move this off to 10. Sure. I'm hoping that's going to be on screen. I don't know. Okay. Now we're going to move in to our last episode where we created a few scripts that will automatically move a cube across the screen. So if you haven't seen that video, the link should be on the screen right about now, so make sure to click it and watch that video before this, because we are going to be using some of the assets that we've already created. So here we have the game manager. This just has the move speed and obviously our vector. Going to put that back to 0. Then we also have this cube, which we're going to be needing later on. So inside our game manager, I'm going to create a component called Random Choose. Create and add. I think I spelled that wrong as well. Okay, great. So, blah. First off, we're going to need 2 variables. We do not need our void update, by the way. Okay. First variable is a public transform array. To make it into an array, right next to the P button, you want to click the 2 brackets. And that's going to give you an array. And we're going to call this points. Next, we're going to need a public float called invoke rate. Set this to be 1.0f. Now in our void start, we're going to want to invoke repeating string. We're going to call this pick points. And float time. This time is after the game object is enabled. This float time, when void start is called, it's going to wait that amount of time in order for its first invoke. So we're going to set this to be 1.0f. And our repeat rate is going to be our invoke rate. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to want to set a void pick points. And inside our void, we're going to set a int called our index number. And that is going to equal a Random.Range starting at 0 and going to our points dot length. Don't know why it's not like that. Oops, it's going to equal random. There we go. And then what we're going to do is, first off, I'm going to set a debug.log points bracket index number dot name. So we're going to do this first. Oops, put 2 main parentheses, but that does not matter because of the principles of math. Okay, points 3. So generate each and every one of them. Generate each and every one of them. There we go. There we go. There we go. Click play. And 0.2, 0.1, 0.0. There we go. It's randomly picking 1 out of 3 points. Okay. So now we're going to change it a bit to make it a bit more fun. We'll set up a public game object called this cube. Waiting for the thing to stop. I really hope my fan's not annoying. I'm sorry about that. And instead of debugging.logging, we're going to do an instantiate our cube at our points. Call this index number dot position, and then our rotation will be cube dot transform dot rotation. So inside our auto move, we'll take that cube, put it right there, Command P, or play, and there we go. Okay guys, thank you. If you have any questions or comments, you can ask those right below the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tips.